Happy birthday.
Ito po ang inyong bouquet. Guys,
Happy
ay, yung balon.
Bakit kilala mo siya?
Sige, parang may kita nila ka ba? Sa balon, ito ang bouquet. Yan, ang bouquet, ang yung burger, ang yung balon. Tapos, meron na siyang inihandang cake para sa inyo.
Ay, nakakaiyak naman.
Penalty on the MIC, MIC. You told me everything and everything.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Tatarat, tatatat. Sige, partikan.
Day to you.
Bakit walang buhay kasi?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, stop! Okay, mother. Bago nyo pa i-blow yung candle nyo, mag-make a wish po muna tayo. Okay, mother?
Ayan, kayang ini-wish ko.
Sana
yung mama na
Hindi ba, sikreto na lang. Malalaman nila eh, sikreto yun eh.
So, kayo po, kung ano, sa mind na lang po. Okay.
Doon tayo dyan.
Sana yung mga apo ko na yan eh, lumaki silang malusog, mabait,
Doon kayo.
at may takot sa
Para
Diyos.
matakpan yung ano doon.
Si Rihanna,
Yan.
ayan si
Yan.
Jari,
Ito yung sweet dyan. Dito ka lang.
ayan si Mimi,
Hawakan mo
si
nga si
Jan
Kuya.
Jan.
Gana.
Si Georgina, nasa
No, no.
Kailangan mo muna si Georgina.
Oh,
Siramin ko manan.
okay na po. Blow the candle. Wait! There's more, mother. Halik kayo. Hilain nyo po ang inyong... Blow nyo po. Tapos i-blow nyo, mother. Ay, hilain nyo po yung pangalan. Ito po. Yan, sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Taas! Sige!
1,000.
Sige, mother. Yuhuu!
Baka
Diretso.
maiwalay.
Sige po. Hawakan niyo po. Yeah! Ay, pakinayante. Picture na kayo. Princess, bye!
Pa-beauty na.
Parlor.
1, 2. Okay.
When it comes to love, Mama is the word. For all the ways you've helped me
Dandan lang.
grow. I want to say thank you and I love you. Mamang, you are my great protector. You are my wonderful patron. You are a big supporter. You are my beautiful gift from God. For all the times I forgot to thank you for all the special little things you do. For all the words that sometimes go unspoken. I need to say I love you, Mom. I do. I love you for the way how kind you support all of us through the years. I salute you for being strong and selfless. When it comes to us, for teaching us the meaning of compassion and sharing. I want you to know that nothing have you done has been forgotten. I know that you miss Papa every day as much as we do. We're always here for you. I love you so much, Mom. Enjoy your special day. Kikay.
Happy birthday, mother!
Thank you, Papi.
Bakit?
Thank you.
Ang ginawa kaya ng Shopee si Tita.
Mother, ano pong masasabi niyo po kay ma'am na nagbigay ko ng surprise po sa inyo?
Ay nako, I didn't expect talaga. Pero yung anak ko na yan talagang isang best ko rin yan. Alam ko na how she cares for me. And thank you anak. Sana mag-grow ka pa. Not physically of course, but professionally. Sana yayabong pa yung career. And God bless you with good health. Always. Good luck in all your undertakings. Thank you. I shed tears now, but these tears are for joy and happiness. You really make my birthday a very unique one. I will never forget this. Thank you. I love you. God bless you.
Oh, thank you kami mag-J, naglinis, nag-makeup. Grabe kayo. Again,
Pag video ka lumabas, hindi kayo nag-make up tayo. For sure, si ate yun ko. Ang galing niya, oh. Ganda-ganda ni Mother.
Yan ka kay Lola.
Oh. Okay na, Mother? So,
Okay.
ah!
Thank you. Thank you.
Bahala mo.
Ah.
Diba? Okay. In behalf of the Mrs. Flower Seven Party, thank you po, Ma'am Jessica, sa pagpila at pag-trust sa amin para kami pa maghatid ng sorpresa para kay Mother. And thank you po sa pamilya!